Hello guys, it's Saturday morning and I've been up to my mate's who's got a welding shop in King Cross in Halifax called WELDER, and he's now set my welder up for me, told me what settings to put on. So I'm going to give it a go with this and see if I can get this somewhere near today. So as you can see, my previous attempt, massive fucking blobs everywhere, which were crap. So I've ground off the top of it. I'm going to try and just put some on there and put some down there, and then I'll grind it down, and then I've cut a bit of metal to just be braced onto there, so I'll try and do that today as well. And if I can get this top part done, then I can start messing about with this bottom bit here then, can't I? That one's in proper solid, so I'll have to make that one the same as that and try and do that. We'll give it a go. So the first thing I'm going to do is, like I say, try and attach that to that, and I might do that down there, so we'll see. So I'll be back in 2 minutes. Right, so as you can see, I've welded that little bit. I've got to do underneath yet, but I'm going to turn the frame upside down to do that. So I've done that bit. I need to tidy it up a little bit. That were a bit of a balls up, but at least now the welder's set up perfect to weld this thickness of alley. So what I'm going to do now is this left hand piece, I'm going to shove it on there and then cut it off so it fits like that, and then I'm going to turn it upside down and weld that and tack that on, and then I'll do the same with the other side, and then I'll have a bit of a subframe where it's tacked on but it just needs welding up properly. Alice has just got home and bloody dogs have run up just as I was finished welding it, so I'm going to bollock her. So I keep telling her to keep the dogs away while I'm doing this. So yeah, I'll give it a bit of a grind down, and then I'll come back to you. Right, I am now going to attempt to weld that up, and I've cut that. I know there's a bit of a gap, but I've cut that. I'm going to attempt to weld that up onto there, like that. In fact, it's just out that, innit? I need to move that over a bit, don't I? Fucking hell. Right, I'll move that over a bit, and then I'll, because you can see there, look, that's not straight there. So I'll move that over, reclamp it, and then I'll tack that on. So I'll be back in a minute. So, because it's chamfered at this end, the metal's really thin and I've blown a bit of an hole in it. But what I'll do is I'll clean it up, grind it down, and I'll just sort of like tack it in and build it up that way. I've tried to do underneath there as well. Same with that. There was a big gap there. I'll clean that up. In this hanger, this rear thing, there's a hole there, so I've just shoved my weld in there and just tried to fill that hole up. Same with that one there. So what I'll do is I will grind them all down now. I'll have a grinding session, and then I'll come back to you in, well, a bit blink of an eye for you, but it might be half an hour for me. Bye. Right, so I've got loads of little like holes to fill in there, and maybe run the weld over it again or something like that. I've got to try and get the grinder in there and stuff like that. Obviously that's got to be filled in, and I've got to weld up there, and you can see where it needs there and stuff like that. And on this side, all that needs tidying up, grinding down and tidying up, stuff like that. And then, so them little holes that I was on about, that I filled in there, that hole and hole there, they were like that. So I need to fill them in as well. And then this bit here, I'm going to try and just put blobs of weld on and grind it down, and blobs of weld on and grind it down, and so forth. But I must admit, even if I do say so myself, it's coming on, isn't it? It's getting there slowly. I think whoever did the work before, they've had a grinder, because I can get my fingernail under there, so I need to run a bead down there. But it's coming on, guys. I can't believe it. Oh, I've got to grind that down there, look, and then I'll obviously have to redo that and then do round there and stuff like that. So what I'm going to do now today, well, for the rest of this video, is probably just try and fill all these little gaps in, turn it upside down, whatever, and I might, hopefully by the end of the day, put this other lug thing in and get the other fucking rear set hanger up here somewhere, passenger hanger, do you know what I mean, this fucking thing, try and do that. So but first of all, I'll go around all this first of all that look there, and then we'll see how it goes. So I'll be back soon. Right guys, I got a bit giddy and I got cracked on with it, but fucking hell man, if you just look here, I don't know if you can see that or not, just a cock hair out at that back end. It should have been just pushed up a little bit. But fuck it, do you know what? Never mind. It's better than what it was with that stupid bloody mild steel thing on. So anyway, so what I've done is I've tried to, where there's big gaps like this, I've just done loads and loads of stripe, you know, passes down there, and then ground it down, and done it again and ground it down. So it eventually looks like it's going to be all one piece, if you know what I mean. There's still loads more to do. I'm going to call it a do now, because like I say, I'll get a bit giddy. Oh, look at that fly. Looks, I'm balls cutting it up, cutting the angle wrong. But anyway, so what I'm going to do now is pack up, carry on maybe tomorrow or whatever, but at least at this side it looks symmetrical and the right length, and then looking at it from there, so it is getting there slowly. Let's look at this end, but it's quite hard welding out in your garden. It started spitting, so that made me rush a little bit, thinking I wanted to get it done before it started raining, because obviously it's a bad idea to weld in the rain. So what I'm going to do then later on is I'm going to pack up now. I'm going to obviously fill all that in, clean it up, fill it in, do all this, I've tried filling all the little holes in. Do you like, you see there, look, there's a little hole underneath there. There was loads of them down here, and I've tried filling all them in, so I'll fill these in as well and grind it down. You can see where I've done it there and all over the place. But it's coming on, guys, so hopefully within the next maybe week or two, Hooligan will be getting well, after I've got the frame blasted, getting rebuilt. Now the other thing as well is I'm hoping, I think that them two holes line up with them two at the other side, sort of. You can't really see, but the other thing that I've noticed that I ballsed up on was this. So that hanger sort of like hangs down at 1 minute to half past, whereas that one is more like fucking 25 past. So obviously I should have twisted that round a little bit before I tacked it on, and I didn't realise. But it doesn't matter, because these won't be used anyway, to be honest with you. What I'm going to do with them is use them to, I don't know, hang stuff off like fucking electrics or whatever, or I don't know. So we're getting there, aren't we? I must admit I'm fucking well happy with it so far. But anyway, we will call it a do. Oh, what I'm going to do as well is I'm going to make another, do you know, like I've put this bracing bar on here. I'll probably do one, do you know where it joins there, but across there or something, and then we'll finally get one on the top there or something like that. So it'll have three on. It'll have one there, and one there. So yeah, I'm well happy with the welder. It's just a cheap fucking Chinese welder. It cost me 150 quid brand new, plus postage or whatever, which is nothing really. Like I said, I've been up to my mates he set it up for me, and he's set it up for different thicknesses of metal, well, different thicknesses of aluminium, and it's perfect. So it was well worth visiting him. But anyway, right, so I will see you guys later, and I hope you're enjoying it so far, and my not so good fabrication, but it's fucking, everybody's got to start somewhere, haven't they? But I'm happy. It's proper, feels strong already. So yeah, can't wait. Right, see you later guys, bye.